Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. So today we are just going to play around with some new stuff. I just got to run a couple errands, so yeah. My face is so broken out. I don't know what's going on with it. I don't know what's going on, but we're going to try and deal with it. I am going to use some of these facial radiance pads from the First Aid Beauty. See if that will help clear up some of this mess. It's like my face is, no matter what I wash it with, I can still get stuff off my face. I need to do like a mask or something. I did leave my what is it called? The Summer Fridays jet lag mask on. I know some people use it as a primer. That was the first time I tried it. I don't think I'll be doing that again, because I think that's part of my problem. Parts of my problem. My little tear ducts are acting up because too much eyeliner. I just can't wear that stuff all the time. Just can't do it. I just can't. Skin's not made for it. Talia is over here fussing because kind of doing her like, don't bother me, I'm still sleeping, because it is a little bit early for me to be filming. But I need to put some makeup on and change my clothes and all that stuff and run and get the mail and some medicine. I feel like I'm always getting medicine. It's like my job. I have a horrible thing here. And you think it's just something on top of your skin? It's not. It's like big ass blackheads down there. I don't do well when my skin gets this way. It makes me like yuck. Yuck. Alright, so I used that as like a moisturizer because I didn't have any moisturizer out for my face. I may have some here. No. We're going to use our MAC moisturizer. Our little strobe cream. This is Pink Light. Just a mess, aren't I? Just go ahead and say it's alright. You guys are not used to seeing me this horrible. Well, maybe you are. Maybe in your opinion, you are. And I'm okay with that too. Excuse me, I gotta cut on my curling iron. Put a razzle dazzle in my hair. So I'm gonna go back in and try this Bye Bye Foundation, the full coverage moisturizer. I got it in a bag or box or something. Oh, and the reason why I had to get moving was to stop shopping. Because I was laying in my bed shopping. My husband left to go to work. He's like, what are you doing? I said, I'm shopping. He goes, I don't know why I asked. He don't complain about nothing. Poor thing. So, it's Saturday. Thursday was my birthday. And me and my husband had a great evening. Quarantining, eating hot dogs, and strawberry ice cream cake, and laughing. And we started the Penny Dreadful City of Angels. Oh, it's so good. I'm like addicted. My husband, he can't get into it yet. Sometimes it takes him a couple episodes to get into something. Or he doesn't, and he just says, hey, why don't you watch that without me? Yes, baby. I understand. So anyways, I asked for one thing for my birthday, and it was a locket, and my husband got it for me. So I'm still trying to figure out what picture I want to put in of him and I, and then some pictures of our dogs. Oh, it's like a double-sided one, so yeah. You know. You knows the deal. Okay, so I am going to use... I need to set my face. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do here. Got lashes everywhere. Lashes, you say? Lashes. I'm going to use my Airspun. Because I like it. It feels like it does a good job. I have so much of it left. It's like I just bought it yesterday. I think I bought it 2 years ago. 3 years ago. You know, you start getting all this setting powder and boxes and samples from here, and you know, like deluxe samples, and that stuff doesn't, you know, it's, you don't have to use a lot, so it takes a long time to use it up. All right, I am not gonna put on concealer or anything. I know my eyes are already crinkling, but I just can't. We are making it easy, taking it easy. So I have been messing around with this Quarter Rosa palette from Sigma. These are the shades, and I'm really just trying to do something very, very, very light. So, like, I don't have any makeup on. What do you think about that? I know it's hard for me to do. There's a lot of people out. It's too early for all these people. Where are they going? I think every Saturday and Sunday people just get up and go to Lowe's and Home Depot because they're open, or Walmart. And they just hang out. It's like, you're not supposed to be hanging out. Get in there and get your shit. Get out. I worry. My sister works at Walmart. She don't need to be getting sick. And she has to work. Like, seriously, people have to work. Yes, they're there for you, but damn. You little greedy bastards. You know, like, if I go into Walmart to grab something and she sees me, she wants to talk to me. And I'm like, April, I can't stand here and talk to you. I said, you know, there's people in here. They just want to get their stuff and go. Oh, she said, they won't. They'll hang out. That's what they do. And I'm like, it doesn't make it right. Doesn't mean I'm going to do it. Now, I'm going to go see her today, right? And her and my mom, they'll want to go to Walmart. I don't want to go to Walmart. I mean, I have to go to Walmart to get some medicine, but dang. My sister will want to go back in there and just run around. She gets absolutely stir crazy. Like, let's just stay at Mom's house. I have a few drinks. Have some morning drinks. This palette is crazy bad for fallout, just FYI. But it's so pretty. Woo! What do you think? Just something plain, simple. Nothing dramatic, yeah. We're gonna put some of that in our inner corner. Oh, here comes my lawnmower guy. Make a bunch of fucking noise. Of course, I'm in the middle of filming. So let's go to Susan's house and turn that fucking lawnmower on. Damn, I said the F word a lot. As you can tell, I'm not a fan of the lawnmower. I need to give my mom some money today. She fronted me some money so I didn't have to dig into my savings. What is that? Don't say it, Susan. Oh my, that lawnmower's about to go off, and then I'm about to go off, because the lawnmower's about to go off. Thank you. I hate the lawnmower. I hate it. It's like, and he'll start right here at this window. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. I need to get him some cash too. Get it over the weekend. Get over the weekend. It is the weekend, Susan. Here he comes. Depending on, sometimes he can see me in the window, depending on what mower he's on. Uh-oh. He's backing them both out. I'm all bronzed up now. Alright guys, let me just put a little bit of this color pop. It's the Parasol. And I kind of use it as a blush and, you know, a highlight. Here he comes. What do you think about that, Towels? Is he coming our way? I think he comes over here because he sees the light on. Messing with me. He's just as bad as his mama. She sees the light on. She coming. Me and my husband are city people. We're not country people. We're not used to the pop-in. You know what I mean? And these people down here, they like to do the pop-in. I'm like, oh, no, we don't do the pop-in. Here he comes. Talia, like, watches him. Like, around her crate. Like, she's looking to see where he is. She can see him. She really can. Okay. Let me put this Corteliza liquid lipstick on that I bought. What? Corta Rosa. I'm so sorry. Do you know who you are? No. Alright, we'll put some mascara on. We're going to use our Milk from our our Kush mascara from Milk. I can talk, and I know what this is. I used it before. I recommend it to people. I like it because it's a nice clean look when you aren't wearing lashes. So, the Quarter Rosa palette, the Bye Bye It Full Coverage Moisturizer for a foundation, the Urban Decay, it's like the beach, what's it called? She doesn't know. It's the Urban Decay Beach Bronzer. And then I use my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek and Parasol. And then the Quarter Rosa liquid lip. Good? Good? Let's spray it up a little bit. Let's just put some Fix Plus on. Alright. I'm going to curl my hair and I'll be right back. Alright everybody, so I have my hair done. Face is complete. Now we're ready to roll. Just gotta change our clothes and that's pretty much it. It's a little bit chilly outside today, so put some long sleeves on and stuff. But anyways, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Mwah.